Getting rich in car parking multiplayer as a beginner is very difficult and frustrating. I've been playing car parking for the past 6-7 years, and over that period I've gained a lot of experience and know a lot of tricks to make money and get rich quickly. Today, I will be starting on a brand new account, and will turn this $25,000 into $35 million by the end of the video, to show you guys how easy it is to become rich. To make this challenge harder, I'm not going to repeat the first level multiple times. I'm also not going to pick up any gift boxes, since most of you guys probably already collected them. And finally, I'm not allowed to buy any businesses. Quickly before we begin, shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then subscribe and comment shout out. Okay boys, we are in. The first thing we're going to do is to collect the daily login reward, which is $10,000. Then we're going to click this button right here and follow the dev's Instagram account for $5,000. And now we're going to join the Telegram for another $5,000. And straight away, we'll also join their Discord server for another $5,000 reward. Then we'll follow their TikTok page. And last but not least, we're going to subscribe to their YouTube channel. And just like that, we've already earned $35,000, bringing our total balance to $60,000.
Nice.
All right, next up, we're going to do these daily tasks, starting with the one up here, which requires us to repair the car 10 times.
Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay, boys, it's been a few minutes, and I think we're done. Now, I've decided that we'll skip the second task, which requires us to win 20 races because after some thorough speculation, I've figured that our car can't win any races since it's barely have enough horsepower to drive up a hill. The last task is to drive as a delivery driver for 5 kilometers. So I'm just going to quickly open up the phone and pick any cargo delivery job that's above 5 kilometers. All right, boys, I've just picked up the cargo, and now it's time to deliver it to the other side of the map.
2,000 years later.
Okay, boys, I've successfully finished the last task for today, and we earned $1,500 from doing the delivery and an extra $1,800 for the distance. Plus, we also got $50,000 and 25 coins from completing the task. This brings our total balance to $133,000, which is enough to buy a decent-looking car like the Evo 9, BMW 1 and 3 Series. But instead of buying those cars, we'll go for an alternative, which costs 1/3 of their price. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you the Volkswagen Scirocco.
He needs some milk.
Here are 3 reasons why I think this car is an ultimate cheat code if you're trying to get rich. 1, it's cheap. On the game store, it only costs $40,000. Number 2, it's cheap, very cheap. And number 3, it's cheap as fuck. It's so cheap, bro. Anyways, now that I've gotten the car, I think it's time to customize it so we can be able to sell it for more than it's worth or trade it for a car of higher value. Since we only have a budget of $92,000, I'll just make a simple color fading design and do some extra touches to make the car look better. I decided to make it blue because I think it fits this car perfectly and will make the roof black. Okay, next, I'm gonna put these rims, make them blue and white, then add some text on the wheels. Now I'm just gonna make the windows black and slightly tint them, then add some text on the rear windshield. All right, boys, our car's finished, and this is how it turned out. I did some small tweaks to the suspension, and also added a license plate. By the way, if you guys made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
All right, boys, I just drove to sales. And as y'all can see, there's only 2 cars in here listed up for sale. The first car is a Dodge Demon listed at $1 million. And the second one is a Silvia S15 listed at $450,000. Both of these cars are way out of our budget. But that doesn't mean I won't try to lowball them. Yeah, that didn't go pretty well. Anyways, a few minutes later, he got out of his car and started looking at my car, then did a smiling emoji showing signs of interest. So I sent him a trading offer to see if he'd accept. Looks like we got ourselves a new car, boys. It's good doing business with you, Jake. This is a huge breakthrough for us, boys, especially since the car we've just gotten costs $680,000. Immediately upon getting the car, I changed the color to vibrant green, added my favorite rims, and also fixed the suspension. I then went to sale 3 times in a row, spent about 20 minutes on each server, hoping someone would buy my car for $1.2 million. I knew nobody would buy it. I was just taking chances. Truth is, I was lazy to do the real work and grind for money. For the following 2 days, I didn't play the game at all. All I did was to log in and log out. My mind just wasn't on the game, and on my free time, I started playing other games. On the 3rd day, I realized I hadn't uploaded a video in 2 weeks. So, I had to lock in. I watched an ad to get the Volkswagen Scirocco for free. Then did the blue fading design again and sold it for $70,000. Not once, not twice, but 3 times.
Yeah, boy.
I used the money to buy a V12 engine for the Nissan Silvia. Then I did 2 easy daily tasks. The first one required me to drive a taxi for 5 kilometers, and for the other one, I had to drive any car for 7 kilometers, thus bringing our total balance to $146,000. Shortly after, I claimed the daily login rewards for the days I'd missed when I just logged into the game, bringing our total balance to $236,000, which I think is enough for a decent livery. I'm thinking of making a Galaxy design on this car, but since our budget is only $200,000, I can't add as many details as I'd want to. And by the way, you guys can copy along as I do this design. It's very easy. All right, boys, so I just finished designing the Nissan Silvia, and this is how it turned out. Now, I'm gonna head to sales and see if we can sell this car for at least $15 million. Okay, boys, I just arrived, and as you guys can see, there's 3 cars listed, and one of them, the Toyota Altezza, has a W16 engine. And there's also a chrome bus, which is a good sign, because it means there's either GG users or very rich players on this server. Anyways, I stayed for about 30 minutes until someone came and bought my car. With the money, I decided to buy the Altezza because it costs coins, and also has a W16 engine, meaning it'll be a lot easier to get a buyer for it once we've added a livery. Alright boys, we finally finished designing the car, and to sell it faster, I decided to join cplegends Discord server. You guys can also join using the link on this video's description. Once I joined, I uploaded some screenshots of the car on the trading channel. In less than a minute, I'd already found a buyer. I gave him my game ID. Shortly after that, I opened a private room where he joined and bought the car off me. And with that, we hit our goal for this video of $35 million, and we even got $2.9 million extra. Alright boys, if you enjoyed this video or think the designs I made are cool, drop a like on the video and subscribe, as it would really help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay sexy. Peace.